To all those people watching, this video is not made for kids. It's for older fans and adults. So fuck off and enjoy the video.
There are many types of animals all over the island of Sodom. Some are big, some are small, some run fast, or some walk slow. Animals that fly in the air are birds. There are many types of birds. One summer's day, the Fat Controller had some news for Percy.
Daisy is taking some holiday makers to the animal park, but she's going to Brendan to drop off some workmen first.
What do you want me to do, sir?
I want you to help Oliver and Duck on the Little Western.
Thank you, sir. But who's gonna do my usual jobs?
I'll see if Emma can do your usual jobs for today.
You know, Percy, sometimes I go to Arlesburgh to see the beautiful sun of the sea.
I hope I could work extra hard if I start my special net soon.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go!
When Percy and Louie arrived at Arlesburgh Junction, Oliver, Duck, Emma, and the Scottish twins were there.
Morning, guys. I've come to help out with the holiday traffic.
And I believe the Park Controller wants me to do your jobs for the day.
Okay, Emma. You can go now.
Okay, Percy. Where should we start?
As soon as our coaches are organised, you can press them from the siding, please.
Yes, I'll be happy to help.
Percy went to the yard, shouting coaches for Duck and Oliver to take on the trains.
Make sure to do Daisy's round to forward while she's not here.
Don't worry, Bruno. I'll make sure the passenger run is finished.
Come on, Bruno. It's time to really make our passengers tight.
Alright, Oliver. Cool your boiler.
Percy chuffed by the beach. The weather was warm and the sun was bright. Percy and Louie stopped off to the west, where some of the passengers could travel on the beach entrance.
Daisy's taking passengers on a daily trip to the animal park.
The animal park? The only animals we get on our railway are deer and sheep.
That's right. And after all, we use all the sheep wool in order to make clothes and our whistles to shoot the deer.
Shoot a deer doesn't sound right to me. It's mean. And I bet that's Bambi's father wouldn't...
The deer are just so annoying when they block our line. I can't stand it.
Don't be upset, Mike.
Think of all the happy passengers that want to travel on our railway.
Well, I personally prefer pulling trucks instead of coaches. You, Bert, Frank, and Jock can handle that job easily.
But you can't always pull trucks because our control sometimes makes you to pull passengers as well as you know.
And it beats being known as the engine who lost his whistle.
When Percy and Louie came to the harbour, they saw Skiff waiting for them at the crossing.
Hey, Percy! There you are! What is it, Skiff? Guess what I saw flying around the harbour this morning? Is it a mockingbird? No, it's a bird that pirates use to sail the scurry seas. Oh, then it's a cockatoo. No, Percy, it's a parrot. A parrot? I don't see any parrots around here, but I think they have some at the animal park.
Apparently, one of the parrots had flown from the animal park because an engine whistled and scared it away.
I thought parrots copied people when they talk.
That's what Salty said in his stories.
I don't have time to talk. I gotta take these visitors around the harbor by the sea.
And Percy, if you see the parrot, come back and bring it with you. Will do, Skiff. Right. I best be on my way then.
Percy and Louie trotted along the branch line that Brian and Daisy worked. Passengers got off the train and went to relax at the beach, while the children could play in the sand. But Percy was still confused about the parrot that Skiff told them about. Later on that day during the sunset, Percy and Louie brought the passengers back to Knapford. Tillie and Toby were there. The tram engine had finished its passenger runs, while Tillie was getting ready to cool off after shunting for the day.
Hello there, Percy. How was Harwick?
It was good, but Skiff told me he saw a parrot flying around on Arlesburgh Harbour.
A parrot? Why would a railboat encounter a parrot out at sea?
Don't be so daft, Toby. There are parrots at the animal park, you know.
But Skiff said one of the parrots flew away from the animal park because it doesn't like it when an engine whistles loudly.
Those noisy animals. They're bad for my swerves.
What's wrong with Daisy?
Daisy sometimes thinks things are bad for her swerves.
Sir, I need to go to the diesel works because I need to have a word with my fitter.
I see, Daisy, but what about your run to Harwick?
Let Percy do my run to Harwick until I feel better. I have to go now.
Looks like you'll have to help out on Doug's branch line again tomorrow, Percy.
Thank you, sir. That way, I can help find the missing parrot and believe Skiff.
Early the next morning, Percy and Louie woke up early and set off to find the parrot. As they pulled into Tidmouth Holt, they saw that the parrot was sleeping on the station wall.
Oh no! I woke up the parrot! We must stop it before it goes away from the island!
Percy and Louie raced along the coast, walking into the parrot. Percy puffed and shook as they were approaching the harbour. Percy was going out of breath and Louie was scared. Then there was trouble.
It's a good thing the water isn't too high.
Percy? What happened to you? Are you going swimming?
No, Ryan. I was trying to catch the parrot because I was whistling too loudly. I'm a really silly engine.
Don't worry, I'll fetch your sister to see if she could pull you out. Just wait right here.
1 hour later.
A few minutes later, Ryan had brought Eliza to help pull Percy out of the
Thank you, Eliza.
Not a problem, little brother. And your fire will be dried out in no time.
Hey, Percy, look what I found.
You got the parrot? But how?
Captain Joe knows everything about parrots, and we should go to the animal park and bring it back to its habitat. We will. Just give me a few hours for my boiler to bubble again.
That's a good suggestion of choice, Percy.
3 hours later.
Later that day, Percy, Louie, Eliza and Skiff went to the animal park to return the parrot to the animal park.
Well, Percy, looks like you and Skiff have found the missing parrot.
Skiff told me all about it, sir. Yes, I was the one who started it flying around the harbor in the first place.
And now, the parrot is safe in its habitat in the animal park. Well, quite so.
Good time, crazy time, not so!
over there, everybody. I can see the sea. Seaside, we're off to the seaside. Buckets and spades, all the playground arcades. Seaside, we're off to the seaside. We're gonna have a lovely day. And when it's cold in winter time, still you can be there anytime. Just close your eyes, count 1, 2, 3. Dream your dream and once again be by the sea. Let's open and arise to greet the train. He is so pleased that Percy's right on time. So much excitement, so much glee. We're all together with Percy by the sea. Seaside, we're all at the seaside. Buildings and castles with pumpkins and spades. Seaside, we're all at the seaside. Oh, what a lovely, lovely day. Seaside, we're all at the seaside. Picnics and paddling, swimming all day. Seaside, we're all at the seaside. Oh, what a lovely, lovely day. Thank you, Percy, for such a lovely day.
Can you guess who this is? Keep guessing.